Hello everyone, welcome back to V-Class TV. This is Teacher Jackie. Join me as we discuss on viewing and representing this week. Here are the learning competencies and objectives that we wish to accomplish together. Welcome to Day 1. Today we are going to start the first lesson of the second quarter. Let's begin with a short review on lines. Look at this squiggle. Describe the picture. What do you see? What can you say about the lines? If you are going to associate this picture to a feeling, what could it be? Squiggles may be related to words like confusing, unclear, or noisy. In contrast, a straight line can be related to being clear or sure. Now, let's proceed to our first activity. Look at this picture. Now, I want you to answer the following questions. What do you see in the picture? Which of the image in the picture caught your attention and why? How do you feel towards the picture? Why? How do the children feel in the situation? Why? This image of children walking with armed soldiers is featured in the Philippine Star website. Note that images evoke feelings and show meanings. Knowing how to interpret images is helpful, particularly when the images go with text like in news articles. Let's now proceed to our next activity. This time we will need the following materials: cartolina or manila paper, a marker, dictionary, that could be a book or an app. This is a group activity. This is what we are going to do. Form a group of 5 members each. Read the sentences in the worksheet. Pay attention to the underlined words. In your dictionary, select the appropriate meaning of the underlined word according to how it is used in the sentence. Write down the selected meaning on the space provided in the activity sheet. Use the underlined word in your own sentence and post your activity sheets on the board. Here's the activity sheet for a clearer view. Now, do the task together with your group. How does your activity go? Present your output to the class. Welcome to Day 2. Reaching this point of the video means you are learning from us. Subscribe for more contents like this one. Let's have interesting activities today. Now, look at this picture and answer the following questions. Question number 1. What message does this image tell us? 2. What kind of shapes are used in the image? Are there geometric shapes? Are there organic shapes? 3. How did the shapes used help in expressing the message? Geometric and organic shapes are used to deliver the message of an image. Now, let us have some more. Look at these images and answer the following questions for each picture. Describe each picture. What do you see? What are the shapes, design, colors you see in the picture? And how do you feel seeing the picture? Here is what it means by each picture. Picture A, it is made of a circle and triangles. Picture B, it is a shadow of a bird with leaves on its beak. Picture C, it shows different lines and strokes with no pattern. But all of these images simply means peace. Now let's discuss the concept chart, shapes, and images. Let's begin with this question. What are shapes? Shapes are visual elements created from closed spaces made when a line connects to itself. Shapes may take different form. It can be square, an outline of an object, or non-realistic forms. What are the different kinds of shapes? Let's begin with geometric shapes, which are made up of arrangements of squares, circles, triangles, or similar patterns. For example, the pizza that we love to eat and the structure of a house. We also have organic shapes, which are similar to those found in nature, just like the trees and the fruits. We also have abstract images created in the artist's imagination, which may take any form. Sometimes geometric and organic shapes and lines are used. Let's now proceed with images. What are images? Images are visual representation of reality. They can be drawings, paintings, photographs, or even sculptures. The purpose of these images is to express a message. For example, in this picture, the message is, children are all friends even if they are different from one another. What are the kinds of images? We have the first one, real or factual images. These depict real-world objects, events, or people. These images are something that occurs, experienced, and is supposed to be true. Just like this picture. Although you might say that this one is edited because it is a clip art or a cartoon type. But you see that children in real life will really read books. Second kind of images are the make-believe or non-factual images. These are results of people's imagination and do not exist in reality. Although they may share some similarity with actual events, they mainly depict fantasy. Just like, for example, this picture. A flying pencil does not exist, so how can these kids write it? Now let's put the ideas into action. Look at this image and describe with the task cards on shape and image. For example, for this picture, the kind of shape is organic shape. And the reason for that is it's a natural shape similar to actual people. Then for the kind of image, I will say it is real or factual. Why? Because men, especially adults, wear like this in real life. Now you do this on your own. The kind of shape is organic shape. And then the reason for that is that it's a natural shape. Mountain and cat in natural form. But for the kind of image, this is a make-believe. Why? Because cats do not act like a human being going on a hike. Continue with this too. For the kind of shape, this is organic shape. Reason? Natural shape of children. Yes, why not? But for the kind of image, this is another make-believe. Why? Because children cannot naturally fly. Welcome to day 3. If you are enjoying our lessons here, you might as well find us on Facebook and TikTok so you can chat with us. Now let's talk about slogans, subtitles, and headings. Look at these campaign posters on bullying. Read the texts and study the images. Slogans are phrases used in advertising products, but in this case, in this poster, it is about bullying. Slogan and posters make use of big font size to emphasize ideas and smaller font size for supporting details. Now, let's answer these questions. 1. What is the purpose of the posters? Who are the target readers? 2. What important ideas do the posters want to convey to the readers? And 3. Which element in the poster, text and/or images express the main message? Let's continue with these questions. Number 4. What are the more specific details shared in the posters? And number 5. Which between the two posters is more effective in sharing the message? Why? If by these posters you understood that you are a victim of bullying, please let your teacher know. Bullying is not accepted in school. Fight for your right. Welcome to day 4. Do you know that you can access the PowerPoint presentation of this video lesson by simply joining our growing channel now? Just click the join button and proceed with the payment process so you can enjoy exclusive perks from V-Class TV. Let's now continue with the meaning box. Here's another poster. Examine the image line, colors, shapes, headings, slogans, or subtitles present in the image. Now, let us try to answer the questions in 4 procedures. Let's begin with procedure 1. Recognize how slogans, subtitles, and headings are used in the text. Number 1. What is the main idea expressed by the image? And number 2. What are its supporting details? Procedure number 2. Interpret lines, shapes, and colors. Number 1. What are the lines, shapes, colors used? And number 2. What ideas do the lines, shapes, colors represent? Let's continue with the last 2 procedures. Procedure number 3. Identify the purpose of a visual text. Number 1. How does the image make you feel? Number 2. What is the purpose of the image? Procedure number 4. Interpret the images or texts that is influential to the viewer. 1. For whom is the image made? 2. What are the symbols used in the image? And number 3. What is the message of the image? For the meaning box, what is the meaning of the image? Here are the possible answers to the posted questions from procedure 1 up to procedure 4. And of course, for the meaning box, children should be spared from, protected during, and cared by after war. Welcome to day 5. Thank you for really reaching this far. I hope you did subscribe to our channel. Now, we are down to the last activity, your performance task. First, you need the following materials: bond paper, marker, pen or pencil, color pen or crayons. This is what you are going to do. Make your own slogan from any of the following topics below. Choose one. How to be a class achiever, respect the elderly, cleanliness is next to godliness. Now here's my tips for you. 1. Use colors wisely. 2. Write with headings, that is with bigger fonts on top, and subtitles, smaller fonts after chapter headings to emphasize ideas. And of course, number 3, focus on your chosen topic. That's all for this week. I hope you enjoyed our class. If you want to avail of the PowerPoint packages, especially of the ones I am using, find me on Facebook. Once again, this has been Teacher Jackie saying, discover, learn, have fun only at V-Class TV. Until next time.